Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can sort of add a frame to your video, and you can even use your own images that you've downloaded. So I'm just going to press new project, and I'm going to select a video I want to edit. Then I'm going to go to canvas right here, and I can choose from color. For instance, I want this blue frame. Once I've selected the color, as you can see, you can't see the sort of frame. You're just going to want to select the video and pinch it with your fingers until you can find, like, you can see the, the background. This is more of a background, but it serves like a frame to me. And you can also press background here, and you can select from these options that CapCut has. As you can see, there's a lot. This one's my favorite. Like, I don't know if you can see, but these are just so adorable. My internet is not well, but you can also use your own background. So if I just choose this image right here, I can choose my own background, as you can see right here. And I can also use the blur one, which is just like blurring the video on top of it to make a sort of background. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!